Good morning or afternoon, whatever it is. This is Miss Mills. I wanted to show you this new activity that I have put in the assignments for my summer sparklers, and it involves division. Now, if you've done the multiplication activity that I provided for you, then this will look very similar, but there are some differences that I wanted to make sure to point out to you. So the first slide is just a sort. And what you'll do is you'll look at these cards and you'll put them into one of these three categories. So if the card is showing an array, like this one is, then you would drag it to the array column. If it is missing a quotient, now, a quotient is the answer. So if the answer blank is blank, basically, then you know that that's where that card will go. So if I'm looking for the quotient blank in this case would be at the end. So anything that has the blank at the very end after the equal sign would be the missing quotient category. And the missing divisor would be the one where it has the missing part of the fraction. Now, if you apply the commutative property, then you would understand that you can divide either of these numbers you can divide either of these numbers here. 28 can be divided by 7 to equal this number. So you're just kind of reversing the numbers that you're working with. But anyway, that's just how you would sort them. Okay, so you do that with all of those cards, kind of like what you did for multiplication. And then as you proceed through this slide deck, you'll see that now you can solve it. So you would count how the total would be. You would type that in here, divided by, and you can do it however you wish, and then you would write your answers and numbers in each blank or in each box there as provided for each array. Okay, the part that's different is this next section. So in the next section, I've given you the missing divisor. And what you'll have to do then is find out the answer, which would be what's missing, find out what's missing. And one way to do that is to take these smiley faces and evenly distribute them until there are none left. So I'm going to keep doing this. My cat's getting in my way. And just keep going and making sure that every single one of those smiley faces until this box is completely empty. And then I would write the number that's in one circle with that number would go here. Okay? So that's that. You would do that for the next three. Okay? Then this one is where you would write your story problem. So if you did the multiplication, it's very similar to that. So you would take your cursor and type in right after that those two dots are called a colon, and then you would say maybe there were 30 teachers at the conference, but there were only 6 tables. How many teachers need to sit at each table? Okay, and then you would solve it and then write the answer here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You would do that for all of these. And then when you're done, of course, you would go to View Assignment in Google Classroom, and then you would submit it by pressing that blue Turn In button. And that's it. I hope you enjoy this activity. Please reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Thanks and have a great day.